then. They gave us a bunch of information. So starting with question 3. Let me know when you're ready, okay?
Yep.
Okay, use the data in the table above. Find P1. So let P1 be the proportion of females in the population. You can taste it. And let P2 be the proportion of males. So females are 1, males 2. So 52 divided by 70, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then it would be 0.741. So I have 0.741. It says using the table.
741 or 743?
Oh, yeah, 3. Thank you.
No problem.
I don't know what I was thinking. I'm not thinking. I'm tired. That's why.
Yeah.
All right. 94 divided by 129. Wait, did I do that right?
Was it 42 divided by 59?
Yeah, I'm doing the total.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm like living off of 4 hours of sleep for the last few nights.
Oh,
42 divided by 59.
so 0.712.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Okay, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? So we know it's all going to be equal.
Yeah.
What the question said. Just the difference. So isn't it the not equal?
Yeah. Is it the last one?
I think so.
Okay.
Create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. Input your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, lower bound, and upper bound. Okay, so does that mean we need to open up this?
You would subtract those answers that we got above.
What is the point estimate for the 95% confident interval? Yeah, I would think it was the 0.1.
So 0.743 minus 0.712 equals 0.031.
So it was 0.031, yeah. That's
Yeah.
And we just got started because Lauren's getting called into work, so we just went and got started.
Okay.
So we're on number 7.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then we can go back because there's 20 of them.
Okay.
What is the margin of error for this 95% confident interval? Can we just like plug this stuff into that categorical statistic data stuff? You wonder?
Yeah.
I'm going to see if I can do it. See if I'll just make it better. So if we have x is 1, see if it will just answer it for all of us. Okay, x1 is 70. And see if it will just answer it all for us. 42. And not equal to. Okay, boom. So, what's our question now? I forgot the question. So what is our point estimate? Would that be the p-value on number 6? Or is that just literally? Margin of error. That doesn't give it to us either. Lower bounds and upper bounds I do have.
I couldn't figure out the lower bound and upper bound.
When I put it into this hypothesis, this categorical analysis for the two proportions, it says -1 or 0 minus negative 0.123 and positive 0.185. So then you would take the, this is my guess on how to do this. Min, do you know how to do it?
No, I don't know how to do it either.
Okay, so I think oh wait, and then you got to divide by 2. Okay, so I think the margin of error would be 0.154. So I took upper bound and the lower bound, and I subtracted the large from the small and got 0.308, and then I divided it by 2, which gives me 0.154. I have no idea if that's right, but that's my guess. So my lower bound would be negative 0.123, and my upper bound would be 0.185. If my confidence level is 0.5, what decision do you make?
Is it the first one?
So my my p-value is 0. So we failed to reject the HO. That's what first one, I agree. And now I'm just kind of wondering if we needed to do that p-hat's different. I use the p-hat 1, 0.1743 minus 0. Okay, well, no, it's the same thing. Never mind. Okay, number 11. Which of the study statements best describes the outcome of this study? Okay, so we failed to reject, so it's going to start with insufficient.
Uh-huh.
There is insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females who can taste is different from the true proportion of males who can taste. So I think it's the last one. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we got a bunch of information. And it says, number 12, the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. Well, for the next 9 questions, or mortalities. Okay. Well, I'm gonna input this information into this lovely little Excel, and the question died. We're looking at the dead people, so you have 16713. Number And the next one, X2 is oops. And then we want to know 95% confidence. Is the proportion of patients who have heart attack and mental hospital less than? Okay, so then we want to change that to less than. Okay, now I think I have all my information in. You guys got all taken care of? Question 12, the conditions for conducting this hypothesis test are satisfied. And I'm looking at it and it says yes, it is true.
Yeah, true.
Okay. 13, which set of hypotheses are appropriate for addressing the research question? That should be P1 equals P2. Okay, so men, is this supposed to have a hat? Or is it supposed to be without a hat? I'm going to look really quick in the lesson. I think it's without a hat, but maybe not.
I forgot which one. Both of which one. Then with no hat probably.
No hats. They don't wear hats when you're making a statement. It's P1 equals P2. P1 equals less than P2. I'm going to go back and change that one. So, which is the hypothesis for addressing this research question? So I would say the last one.
That's what I think.
Okay, let's go back and go look at that other question. Back up here when we were doing it. So we probably need this first one instead. Back up there on. So I changed number 5 to the first one.
Okay.
Okay. All right, number 14, use the data in the table to find P1, round to 3 decimal points. So P1 is, according to 0.141 from Excel, is the data to find P2, which is 0.145. Question, what is the z-score? Now, this I have negative 2.020. And 17, given the z-score from the last question, would you shade the left or the right? I'm going to say shade to the left.
The left, yeah.
Okay, what is the p-value for this test? So looking over here, 0.022. Is that what you guys are looking at? Or
0.022?
Yeah, what did you get?
Oh no, I just didn't hear you.
Yeah, 0.022.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the decision for this test?
We fail to reject it.
I think we reject it because if it's 0.02, and I think if we scroll back up here, it's 0.05 is the.
So you fail to reject.
I think we reject it, don't we?
Don't you reject it only if it's more than 0.05?
No, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. When the p is low, reject the null. I think we reject the null. We're saying that no, that's actually pretty extreme to get that to be true. So we're going to reject the. I think, but you tell me. Like, what's your justification for it?
Let's see. Okay, so reject the null.
Yeah, I think reject the null because now we do it when it's low, reject the null. Then it would be there is sufficient evidence. You could quit. I just have to read these last one way.
Okay.
Okay, so I think it's the second to the last or the third one. What do you guys think?
Let me see. Yeah, the third, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna save it and I'll submit it and let you know what I get.
Okay.
Okay, so far we're getting them all right. We got 100. So yeah.
What did you get for? What was it? So it was reject the null.
So on the last one, like 18, 19.
Yeah.
So reject the null hypothesis.
And then or 14 and 15, I didn't hear those.
Okay, so 14 is use the data in the table to find P1. So I put 0.141.
Okay, I had that. I just added the 0. And then the next one is 145.
Yeah, 0.145.
All right. I'll go ahead and submit this. All right. I have to get ready to go.
Okay, sounds good. I have no information other than I submitted it. I haven't even checked my email, but I'll let you know if there's any changes or what we need to do or if we can get started on our project. So how about we talk on Thursday about it when Jenny's gonna be back?
Okay, yeah.
That work?
Good. Yeah.
Okay, and if there's anything that comes up, then I'll let you guys know.
Okay.
So it looks like nope, I don't see anything yet. Okay. All right. Well, I'll see you guys later. I'll post this.
All right. Bye.
Okay,
For
bye.